Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Benedict here again from BJ Learn, and in this class, I want us to talk about SUMIF. So SUMIF is just another advanced logical function. So we want to see how we can do a summary using SUMIF. We have a huge data from a given table. So here we have a summary table for fruit type, quantity, total amount, and the different types of fruits listed down here. When we come to this other table, we have type of fruits, we have unit price, we have quantity, and then we have total prices, or we can say total amount. So we want to summarize the number of rather the quantity of each type of fruit and the total amount of sales for each given fruit. So we'll come here and say is equal to, we'll type is equal to, then sum if. Remember, we are using sum if and not some ifs. So first we must type the range. So the range start here from A16, rather A15 to A63. Then we go to the criteria. The criteria will be A3. So the criteria here means that we want to know each type of fruit, uh, how much was sold as quantity. So the criteria will be the type of fruit. So again, we go to the sum range. So the values that we want to sum for each given fruit within that period. So we select D15. We select D15 to D63. Then now we can close the bracket and enter. Then we'll run this one down. We'll copy the formula down to where we have QA. Sorry, this was supposed to be quantity, not total amount. So we need to rectify the formula again. Let's where we have the total amount. We'll change it to where we have the column quantity. So here the sum range here will pick from quantity. So this is C15 to C63. Now we can close the bracket and enter. So let's correct. This should not be the. It should only have a single square bracket. Then we press enter. Then we drag this one down. So let's go to quantity as well. Is equal to SUMIF. Then the range is from A15 to A63. Criteria again is A3. Then we go to the sum range, which is D15 to D63. Then now we can close the bracket and enter. Then let's drag the formula down up to the row where we have QA. So our total value is 464.5, which ties with what we have down here for the entire table. So the formula is correct. So that was about SUMIF. So when we come back in the next class, we'll talk about SUMIFs. So thanks a lot for watching, and let's meet again on the next video.